winganeza ukuthi impela sibona lapha kube ilungu le-EFF uFloyd Shivambu njengoba ke yenza inkulumo yakhe yokuqala ke eseqenjeni ke le-MK bafowethu impela lapha masikhuluma kakhulu ke asenidedele yona ke le nkulumo yakhe nani ke nizwele.
This thing of small unviable political parties is not sustainable for the future of black people in South Africa. It's not sustainable at all. We can't, and the temptation as well, and I'm not characterizing the EFF, is that when you have got multiple of these, like they end up being fiefdoms of individuals. IFP, UDM kind of arrangement, what is it to achieve with that? When all of us can set aside our very strong egos and say, I don't have to be a member of parliament, I don't have to be a deputy president. I can come and be led by a collective, like, and be subjected to a collective and be asked to go and organize branches of MKP from scratch and not be a member at the high levels. That is the principle that we're dealing with. And that is what we're here for.